Tuesday's precise in important news. As many as 262 soldiers graduated from the Joint Combat Training Command. The Ministry of National Defense says that 262 soldiers of the Central Divisions and Regional Corps have graduated from religious, military, and professional training of the Joint Combat Training Command. The prices will not hike during this year's fast, says the spokesperson of Commerce Ministry. The spokesperson of the Ministry of Commerce says that we have provided many facilities in terms of imports and the prices in the country have decreased significantly. He assures that the prices will not be increased during this year's fast. A fresh consignment of $40 million has arrived, says the Afghanistan Bank. A cash package of $40 million in humanitarian aid arrived in Kabul today and has been handed over to a commercial bank in Kabul. Weapons and ammunition discovered. The Kabul police headquarters says that the security forces of the 3rd district have discovered and seized a number of light and heavy weapons. Border police received new uniforms. Amid continuation of the distribution of new uniforms to security forces across the country, new uniforms have been distributed to the border police of Shamalziyu of Zabul province, said a statement of the Ministry of Interior. Over 22 million Afghanis revenue collected, says Baghlan Statistics and Information Department. The Department of Statistics and Information Authority of Baghlan says that after the rule of the Islamic Emirate, it has collected more than 22 million Afghanis from the distribution of 65,079 electronic identity cards. Debt to auction $17 million. The Afghanistan Bank has announced that in order to maintain and stabilize the value of the Afghani currency, it will auction $17 million on 15th of March, Wednesday. The bank has asked eligible banks and exchange and money services companies to participate in this tender. 18 people arrested for drug trafficking in 5 provinces. Counter-narcotics police have arrested 18 people for drug trafficking and dealing in 5 provinces of the country.